We have a unique opportunity to come to Architectural Nexus in Salt Lake. It's an architecture firm, and meet with their interior design department. They are working with the students to give them a hands-on experience so they can see what a day in the life of interior design looks like. We also have the opportunity to tour their beautiful facility and see what a living building is.
I didn't realize how much you could use plants or lighting. I liked how they use nature and just every little aspect. Finding all of the ways that they incorporate nature in like little details, I found that inspiring, and it's made me think about how I want to do things like in my own home one day.
I've worked with Architectural Nexus for several years now, since I've been teaching interior design.
We started going out and talking to our class, and it was so valuable to see them take these ideas that we're working with in the real world and then apply them to their classwork.
As they were doing that, I had one student say, well, can we go down and see your office?
Why not bring them out here to the real world application and see how they do and see what we can teach them? Because they are the next generation of designers.
Most students don't get a chance to do this. I would have loved to do something like this when I was in junior high and high school.
I think it's a really cool and like once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to like come and like work with them like hands-on and like learn about their like everyday job and kind of what they do, so that way you know for like the future if you may be interested in this.
The first activity was to create a design brief. So it's basically using words to pinpoint a direction, a design direction, a goal, what you want something to feel like. And that informs the rest of the design. The second step was to come pick finishes from the material library.
I worked in the interior library where we found a bunch of different materials and learned how to kind of express ourselves by using color and textures.
And then the third activity was to create some tinfoil models and exploring this idea of form and how the three-dimensional can also translate a feeling.
I just think anytime that you can bring real-world experience into the classroom, it's so much more meaningful. You know, as teachers, we hear all the time, am I ever going to use this again? Why do I have to do this? And so bringing them to a place like this where they can actually see, oh, the things that we're doing in class actually do go into my future career choice. It's very rewarding to see that.
It's exciting. I think it keeps us fresh and it helps us see what's on the horizon.